Good morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 4, verse 10 to 12. And he said, Why thou hast done? The voice of thy brother blood crieth unto me from the ground. And now thou curse from the earth, which hath opened her mouth to receive thy brother's blood from thy hand. When thou tillest the ground, it shall not henceforth yield unto thee her strength. A fugitive and a vagabond shall to be in the earth. So this is the consequence of Cain of on killing his brother Abel. So that was happened, and so we must be aware and beware that should I say anger, and that might lead to killing, might lead to sorrow, and it's too late if you already kill your should I say relatives just for maybe just for something because of anger, hatred, anything else. So we must manage our emotion properly.